Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am getting some pallets delivered. 5 of them. That's 10. 5 of them to be exact. So I'm going to show you how they bring them all into my space. Well, we got all 5 pallets delivered, so let me show you what they look like. There they are. Isn't that beautiful? 5 pallets to unbox for your viewing pleasure. So these will be soon unboxed. They're not totally full. I think this has some sort of electronics phone case type things. I've got a case. I have to look at my invoice to see what that is. I think it's clothes. And then I've got some, looks like household items, kitchen items. I've got an HBA, health and beauty, and then a pallet of assorted shoes. So we'll have to check them out and see what we got going on. So I am super excited about all my pallets, so we're going to get into them. Hopefully it's been helpful to see how they got delivered and put into my space. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below. This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.